Yo, King, what happened? What went down here tonight, King?
Yo,
Oh,
supernova took place, man. Trust me. A prairie fire upon poetry nights. Out of the dome, out of the heart, out of the creation, out of the king, out of a Zulu warrior. Yeah, man. Unplanned. But, you know, I witnessed the fitness of a warrior, you know. It's a confirmation, you know. Message, and that's meant to be known. And those who experienced it, witnessed it, history, presence, past and the future, live and direct. So yeah, man, what a thing, man.
Hey, hello, this is Africa. Hung out with the Rasta. We did good today. Today was amazing. We got our food. We sit in the backyard, relaxing. Peace, love to everyone, to the family, to the Roots family. Teba took good care of me. And these are the real people. Keep things going. Blessings. Today was amazing, yeah. Today.
Day 2, right?
Is it day 2? It is, right?
Day 2.
It's day 2.
No.
It is day 2.
It's day 2.
Yes.
It feels like it's been 2 weeks.
And it never normally feels like that. Because we do so much work. We meet people and we've done so much.
It's day 2.
Is it? It's weird. It feels weird. It feels like I've been here for a whole week because we haven't done a lot, but it's just like
it's
vibe.
Yeah, man.
The vibe is
it's fulfillment.
Yes. 1 week you're like, whoa.
Now a tough decision must be made now with so much things and vibes and possibilities, and just need to get guidance.
Yeah, we observe.
The man come true and the queen pass away. Lips to the next level, so
It's crazy. I blessed her though.
Yeah, after 7 years,
Come on the ground and say the prayer for her.
You are already just waiting for you to come.
Yes. Yes. Literally. Literally. Literally.
Like, welcome, son.
Gotta go.
I was waiting for you now. Here's the touch. Boom.
no.
Cable TV is mainly based in Johannesburg. The economy of the country is in Johannesburg.
Of South Africa.
Yeah, not Africa.
Of Africa itself.
Yeah. I told you, you get all the black men in the world, you find them in Joburg. I will call, you know, there's the wild, wild west.
Yes.
Joburg is the wild, wild south. It's the gold city where all the Africans migrated from other parts of the southern parts of the continent of Africa. Now even the whole of Africa, including all the black people in the world, it's you see, Cape Town represents and reflects white supremacy to a certain level. But in Joburg, you get a solid black presence and confidence.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's the first thing you're gonna identify when you're in Joburg. Okay, so much black people in this place. Okay, what's up? And then independent, you get black people in Lamborghinis and millionaires and all this shit. You get that in Joburg.
So this is South Africa. If anyone cared to know, this is Africa. This is not. There are places that are ghetto in Brooklyn and New York. There are places that are ghetto in Africa too.
Yeah.
So, what makes Africa different from anywhere else? Why are you afraid to come here? And ask. Please drive slow and safe. Rondie, the Teba show. Teba, where are we? Is this another planet, Teba? This is the Rondie and Teba show. Good morning, Teba.
Morning.
How are you doing?
Doing fine.
Did you eat last night?
Yeah.
Did you sleep well?
I slept well.
Did you sleep at all?
I didn't sleep, but you know, we can't afford to sleep that much because there's few hours in a day.
For a beautiful place like this. Yeah. Is this just amazing? Where am I? What planet am I on? It's so amazing here in South Africa. And what's the plan for today?
We're gonna go to Robben Island today to see where the freedom fighters were arrested, like Nelson Mandela, Robert Mangalisi Subuku, and the whole entourage. Right now, yesterday we were at Clock Victoria Rough. So now we are at the opposite side of that, which is called the Clock Tower, going towards the Nelson Mandela Gateway. So we're about to purchase a ticket to go to Robben Island.
And I could get a helicopter experience. What's the cost of that?
It looks kind of broken.
Let's go check out the cost for that. Because you know what, Tebe? Forget about the rock. We're going flying, baby. You ready to go flying? I see you got your glasses on, Tebe. Let's go flying.
It seems like it's unready.
It's what do you mean?
Where's the propeller of the ship?
No, this is just a sample.
Okay.
Oh, so guys, this is South Africa. Amazing South Africa. I love it. The sun, the light, the energy, the vibe. So, Cape Town helicopters. So, Tebe. So where do we pay for this? Oh, we pay right here. Hey, this is Rondie and Teba doing it. I've been filming him. Let's turn around. Let's get the light bright. Boom, 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 boom. That's a little better.
Yeah, man.
Yo, this is Rondie and Teba living the dream. Guess what? We're gonna take our chopper up and go take a look at the city. Where did you park the chopper?
Just above the waterfront.
Oh, oh yeah. Wait.
So we're gonna see the Table Mountain.
Yeah.
From God's point of view.
Yeah, yeah. It's, you know,
from above.
Did you fix the engines in the chopper?
They're busy working.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's gonna be ready for 3?
Yeah, it should be.
7.
It's gonna be ready. They're gonna put new wings and shit.
New wings? There's no wings on the chopper. Yeah.
This is new age chopper, man.
This is
so what do you call it?
Propellers, right? Wings. This is guy's chopper has wings. But anyway, this is Cape Town. We're doing our show, do our YouTube. I hope you're enjoying the life. Hit subscribe. And you're gonna have to start donating on my film so I can come back and do films with Teba.
But yo, you need to come to Cape. This is Cape Town, Africa. This is no Hollywood, no gimmick.
This is bigger than Hollywood right here, okay? Yeah. And we got our tickets for Robben Island, and we're gonna take the chopper. We're gonna take a spin around Cape, you know, a 12-minute spin, and we probably should buy some breakfast. And we should have some wine. I think they'll allow champagne. Let's ask them so we can get the champagne, get some food, and have some wine glasses and a toast on the chopper.
Let's ask them.
We should ask them. Yeah. Can we drink wine on the chopper? Because we're celebrating our success. We just had a big record deal.
Drink and drive. Maybe we can fly and
drink. Of course, we're not doing the work.
Alright.
Let's get high. Maybe we can smoke too. Because we're high, maybe we should get high. I'm just kidding. But anyway, Cape Town. We're gonna do it.
It's a good day.
Good. Lovely day. Look at this. This lovely in the Cape.
Damn.
The bridge is coming over for us to walk. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's good to be alive. Isn't it good to be alive?
Definitely.
Yeah, man. It's been a great adventure just taking the tour with you. You know, chatting nonsense. Me with my big head. You know what I mean? Laughing and living. Oh, last night was crazy. I actually performed poetry in Cape Town, and your friend here, your little superstar here, your shark guy with the alien hat on, with the big brains, he forgot to record my show. He's the only one in the audience recording. I got you, man. I got you. And he kept saying, I got you on. Of course, there was no video. But he's forgiven. And he just had a bird shit on my head because he refused to move.
Now, in our culture, that's blessing from above.
Good luck.
Definitely. That's royalty treatment.
All right, Bridget. So
you need to cross the bridge now.
Yeah, we're going to cross it. Hey guys, this is like West Palm Beach and SHARE. Let me do. I'm sorry to waste your time. Hold this for me. Can you hold this for me? Don't press anything, please. Thanks. Hey, it's Rondie, your famous sales agent. Now I'm selling you Cape Town, South Africa. You know, many people say to me, Africa, it's a shithole. I said no. Take a look. Do anything here look like a shithole to you? No, that's not a shithole. Those are kids. An amazing luxury. Oh, sorry guys, it's Rondie. I have been paying attention to the channel, and I know you out there at work and you're thinking, where is Rondie? Oh, sheesh, I'm in South Africa right now. We're eating in South Africa, hanging out with my brethren Tebe. We're shooting this film. We're going to finish up the film today so we can get you all the footage tomorrow. Check out some amazing smoothie. Teba, what do you think about the smoothie, the vibe today? Yesterday was amazing. What do you think about today?
Today is fresh, another possibility.
We found a new vegan restaurant, right?
Yeah.
This is really good.
You know, it's one of Cape
Cheers,
Town's
man.
best.
Toast to our success in the show. Be good. Let's go on the Ferris wheel. See you guys next time. I love you guys. I'm in South Africa right now. I have a lot of footage for you. Stay blessed. Remember to drink your water. Call your mother and tell her that I love her, because you don't. Morning, Jamaican. I'm in Cape Town. Seba, what are you having?
There was some kale, salmon, avocado, salmon, salad. Meal.
This is amazing. I don't know what it is because I didn't pay attention. It's called Plant Power. Along with the smoothie in South Africa, hanging out with my Zulu friend, the real Zulu. Speak for me something in your language.
La coca, la kumakoma,
What does that
la
mean?
crete. It means a frog went on jumping around. It got skinned.
You're crazy. Is that how you teach your classes? Like, you seriously?
I show them, I break them a little bit. Break them, show them like, yo, you think French is the language? Come make me teach you some Kemetic language. Yeah.
So, good. That was good. You don't want this, right? Can you cut me off a piece? You said a frog gonna jump around?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna say something like really deep. Like,
No, I don't want to be too deep.
but anyway, people, me and Tibba hanging out.
Even too deep.
Me and Tibba right now in South Africa. We're having this is one of the best vacation I've ever had in my life because of Tibba. You know, when Jamaicans, when you come to South Africa, I have somebody take care of you. Tibba will take care of you. All right, love, peace. And make sure you get the veggie thing. My love, no. Take care of yourself. Rondie, I travel the road. Share it, subscribe it, enjoy your life. I'm showing you a different lifestyle. New York is not the only thing. Jamaica is not the only place. Start traveling, you know? Everything's a perception. I'm showing you everything. We're going to get to the ghetto. Yeah. We're going to get to the ghetto. We do the high life and we'll do the low life. We're doing everything. All right? Give thanks and blessing.
The natural life.
Yes.
Remember, I'm not saying the world is yours, the world is yours, the world is yours.
Give them some lyrics. Sorry, put name out. Do something, Tibba. You have to perform. I'm kidding. Yo. I'm in Cape Town. I'm in Cape Town. Well, I'm in Cape Town. Oh no, this is Africa. Oh yeah. So beautiful and amazing. This is a new museum here. This is supposed to be an amazing museum. Hey, back on the Cape Tour tour. Walking around looking at Africa right now. How you doing today?
I'm exploring new parts of the city that I didn't know.
You ate a lot of ice cream today.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you ready for the chopper ride?
I'm ready for the chopper.
Well, you didn't get the champagne.
Nah, it's very clean. You're gonna get too high.
Okay. So you probably just like jump out and, you know, like do a...
Some stunt.
You know?
Excited.
No, we don't want champagne because we'll probably get too wild.
Too excited.
Yeah.
Eurocentric section of the waterfront. This is not too commercial and busy like other one.
Oh, wow.
This is the beach section.
Wow, and that's the museum also. The yard, wow. Wow, that's pretty big for a restaurant.
There's apartments.
Yeah.
My baby, are you good? We had the mocha still here.
Look at that one right there. That's so that building is something else.
There's a man of new age.
The yard. Aha, yeah. Oh, check this out. Check out that, that's pretty cool. The way they placed that there. Uh-huh. The architecture is really good.
Let's meet at the yard.
What's that? Let's meet at the yard.
Just getting some sun.
Let's check the menu. I had no idea. You know, Teba, you live a very plush life here in South Africa. What do you have to say for yourself? For all those people who are suffering, and you're living the big life.
That's propaganda. That's because I smoke propaganda. That doesn't make that right. But it's many worlds in one world. You know? Because this is Cape Town. And,
Somebody offer you something to drink?
Oh, no, we're gonna leave to we have an appointment. We're just hanging out, enjoying the
No problem. I was just double checking.
respect. Give thanks. Yeah,
Chill
man.
out, no
Respect.
problem.
Much love.
Thank you.
You see that? That's what I'm talking about. He was showing us love, you know? Like, you guys are good? Service? You know?
yeah, because he's from Zimbabwe.
Yeah?
Yeah. Zimbabwe never ruled South Africa.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Zimbabwe.
Zim, zim, zim.
Zim Zim.
Very interesting. I mean, I'm just kind of... South Africa is brand new. Everything is brand new. It's not an old city.
They say it's from 1652. That's when the city
I'm saying,
came. But it's evolving all the time. But it is because when I take you to what they call Kailicha, they say it's third or second biggest township after Soweto. But it's still new because it started in the late mid-80s. You see? But they're looking at this is new development. And what they keep on doing, they keep on modernizing things. And big corporates, multinational companies, they design this in some boardroom with graphic design, graphically, and then they just put pieces together. So that makes it new.
Well, you know,
and I think also the labor is much more cheaper.
hey man, it's the vacationers. We're just hanging out around in Africa. Wait, you mean Africa?
I just want to be clear on you.
Huh?
This is almost as good as somewhere in Florida.
Is that crazy that I said, just give me 2 beers? I don't want to choose this. Because we're hectically tired from vacation. And we don't want to process. So, do you see the view here? In the museum we're about to maybe after the helicopter ride. It's like we cannot be processing stuff. This is Africa. You know? And it's just like 2 beers. What's taking so long? I'm sorry to be like so African right now. Rondie, I'm having such a great time. I mean, it's so amazing here. Like, yeah, Africa. This Africa? This Africa? Is this the Africa? Is this the Africa? Oh, well, look at the plans. Oh no, everything is modern. The architecture, you know, everything. The museum. It's futuristic. It's just futuristic, and it's just like we get so tired from taking in all this fresh air in Africa and all this modernization. And it's like it's so weird.
But Africa's supposed to be ancient.
No, it's supposed to be muddy and like there's mud.
But all the lions and elephants, they're all fake.
Do you see any old baboons here? I like to turn them in these swirly chairs. You know?
Just sit on it.
You live in the life, bro. This is yourself, buddy. No. Oh, he's dead. There you go. This is a bad man. Yeah. South African. You're Zim, aren't you? Can you bring in the bill for us?
Okay, yeah, it's coming now.
All right. A toast to long life and people. This is. Put yourself in this.
Don't worry. It's apple juice.
This is the beginning of our life. This is the middle of our life. This will be the ending of our life. We want you to join us on the next episode, the next journey. This is Teba and Rondie Adventure. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna just let the viewers like soak that in.
And that's an African beer. Brewed, served in Africa.
So everybody who is afraid to come to Africa, come join us and have a beer, right? Like, why would you be afraid when the architecture is this magnificent? Thank you, man.
All right, thank you.
On a serious note, guys, best vacation in the world. Yo, hanging with Rondie, what's it like hanging with me, bro?
Yo, it
Is this a
reminds
chill
me.
factor, bro?
It's chill factor.
Yes, sir. Chill factor is like amped up. Hanging with you, man.
I'm speechless, man.
Hanging with you, your chill factor, bro, is crazy off the charts, man.
Yo, I feel like a spoiled brat. You know, I mean, I thought America was better than this. I've been in Germany and I was disappointed to see so much potholes in the CBD, in the center of the city and town. But trust me, we don't have such in Cape Town. Tomorrow you're gonna go to the ghetto just to show the flip side, but still anything is possible. So we are in a mission to make it comfortable for everyone. You see it, as you can see, we are super duper comfortable. You see me? Alright then.
Respect. Now that's the man. I told you, when you get to Cape Town, I'm gonna give you a good man to take care of you. He costs a lot of money, so get your money
But
ready.
it's reasonable. It's reasonable. Trust me, no man. It's reasonable.
And everything you eat, he has to have 2 of it. No, but Teba is one of the reasons my vacation is so cool, because Teba is easygoing, you know, and
You see, in Cape Town, you can drive, you can fly, you can sail on the water, you can even go underground, top of the mountain. It's all up to you.
look at this beautiful African woman. Wow. Yeah, beautiful African woman. Beautiful professional African woman. See them over there, guys? Go get them. Go get them, Tedda. Come on, hold yourself back.
Is this umbrella still making sense?
You see that? Only a brilliant man would do that.
You are the man.
These probably family, his family probably constructed the pyramids.
I bet you. Yes, brother.
We've never had this much service in New York. I gotta tell all my New York friends, look, enough of that crappy service. You need to come to Cape Town.
For how long have you been here now?
Just 3 days for me? This is the best vacation I've ever had.
Oh, is it?
Yes, Cape Town.